Hello, Namaste. My name is Ghosh. Today I want to discuss about differential equations. So what is the differential equations we want to discuss? See here, x square plus x square and y square is the variables. X square plus y square dx is equal to x square minus y square dy. So d square y by dx square is a derivative. It is also derivative. 6y, it is x square variable. D square y by dx square, it is a 4x. X is a variable. What is a differential equation? What is the differential equation we want to discuss here? So differential equation nothing but here an equation involves that independent variables, dependent variables. An equation involves that independent variables, dependent variables here with the differential coefficients with the dependent variables with respect to the independent variables is called a differential equation. So in this differential equation, after differential equation, we want to go for the order. What is the order means? highest derivative of the differential equation is called order. So here d square dqy by dx cube plus 4x dy by dx. Here observe here d cube by dx cube, that is first we can take y, first derivative is dy by dx. Again we want to take derivation d square y by dx square. Again we want to take the derivation d cube y by dx cube. So it is the first derivative, it is the second derivative, it is the third derivative. In this third derivative, that is the highest derivative. This highest derivative is called the order. So what is the order here? Order is a third order. Okay. This is the what is the degree of this order of this differential equation is third order. Next, what is the degree? What is the degree means? Suppose same only you can take dqy by dx cube whole square plus x into dy by dx is equal to x square. For example, in this you want to take here d highest derivative. This highest derivative exponent. The highest derivative exponent. Generally, exponent is a topic you want to take in polynomials. So degree means you want to take here. Degree means here it is also one of the polynomial only. This highest derivative degree is a 2. So degree is a 2. So we call it a degree is a 2. This is the degree of differential equation. Degree is a 2. Next we want to go for the solution. What is the solution? So what is the solution means? For example, what is the solution means? dy by dx equal to y. So one differential equation. I want to take here 1 by y dy is equal to dx. Taking on both sides a derivative. So integration of 1 by y dy is equal to integration of dx. In 1 by y it is a log y. Log y is equal to integration of dx is x. So we want to take this is exponential here, y is equal to e for x. This is called solution. Called a solution. What is the meaning of solution? A relationship between the variables without differential coefficients. Is called as a solution. The solution must be satisfies. Is called as a solution. It is a dy by dx is a differential equation. So y is equal to e for x is a solution. Okay. Next we want to go for the general solution. General solution. GS. General solution we generally define that GS. What is a general solution? So here also general solution, here also general solution. In this solution, we want to take here some arbitrary, that is independent arbitrary variables, independent arbitrary variables, independent arbitrary values. What is independent? That is a here variables, here independent variables. For example, y, so I take this here, y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. So here a and b is called arbitrary values. A and b are called arbitrary values. So here arbitrary values. In this arbitrary values, compulsory we want to take the arbitrary values. A and b is the arbitrary values. So for example, we want to take here y is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. So first derivative dy by dx, that is a cos x is a sin x plus b sin x, we want to take cos x. Again we want to take derivative. D square y by dx square is minus a sin x means cos x, b cos x, you take b sin x. I want to take the minus common, a cos x plus b sin x, a cos x. So d square y by dx square is equal to minus y. So it is d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. So here arbitrary values are two arbitrary values. What is arbitrary value? What is arbitrary? We want to take arbitrary values. Arbitrary values means here a and b are the two unknown values. That unknown value we don't know the values. So we want to say here derivative d square. How many unknown values here? Two unknown values. Two unknown values means we want to take derivative 2 times d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. What is the derivative? What is the meaning of general solution? A solution which contains as many as arbitrary constants. The order of the differential equations is called the general solution. So how many here? AB. So AB as many as said 2. So that is the derivative is 2 d square y by dx square. So okay, next we want to go for the methods, differential methods. First one is variables and separables. Variable and separable. Suppose f of x dx is equal to g of y dy. So in this we go for the integration of f of x dx. This is integration of g of y dy. That means variables are one side different. X variables are one side, y variables are one side. We call as a variables and separables. Next go for the homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations means here dy by dx f of x comma y. That means here x and y. So the power is same. Different. Homogeneous means same. So we can take f of kx comma ky. So we can get this k into f of x comma y. In this we substitute here, put y is equal to vx. Take the derivation dy by dx equal to, we want to take v plus x dy by dx. So we can take here, this is the homogeneous expressions. After homogeneous expressions, we want to go for the linear equations. linear. What is the meaning of linear? Linear differential equations. Linear differential equations. Linear differential. Linear differentiable equations. Linear differential equations. Linear differential equations. Here linear differential equations. First you want to take here dy by dx. Dy by dx plus x into p of x. P of x. Here dy by dx. Dy by dx. X into p of x and q of x. P of x into q of x. In this, we want to take one integral part. Integral part is IF. IF means e power integration p of x dx. P of x dx. First, you want to find out this one. After this, we want to find here general solution. That is general solution. The solution we can say here x into y into if is equal to integration of if into q of x dx. So this is in the form dy by dx plus x into p of x q of x. Suppose same this one only. Next you want to take dx by dy plus y into p of y and q of y. Same thing here also we want to take integration factor. If is equal to here p of x, here take p of y dy. So here y. So here general solution is x into if. X into if is integration of if into q of y dy. So we can go for this is the differential methods. Next we will go for the next we can say any examples about differentiable equations, order and degree, general solutions and variable separable, homogeneous equations and non-homogeneous equations and linear differential equations. Okay, this is my topic. Thank you very much. We discuss differential equations. Thank you.